Agriculture productivity is dependent upon various factors like soil properties, climate conditions, irrigation facilities, seed quality and variety, cropping pattern, techniques of farming, prevention from pests, etc. But more importantly, usage of optimum primary, secondary and micronutrients. In this regard, the role of the government becomes more significant in making available all types of nutrients at affordable prices to farmers at appropriate times. Department of Fertilizers has come up with an action plan to make India Atmanirbhar in rock phosphate, the key raw material of DAP and NPK fertilizers. This is being done to improve the availability of phosphatic fertilizers and to reduce the dependence on imports by ramping up production through indigenous resources. Before we talk about this action plan, let's understand what are phosphatic fertilizers and why the government is working to increase its indigenous availability. Phosphorus is an essential non-replaceable nutrient in biology with finite global reserves. Globally, there has been an increasing demand for effective crop production products that are economical and beneficial for farmers. Rock phosphate is the key raw material for DAP and NPK fertilizers, and India is 90% dependent on imports. Volatility in international prices affect the domestic prices of the fertilizers and hinders the progress and development of the agriculture sector in the country. The indigenous capacities for phosphatic fertilizers, especially DAP, remain underutilized due to the raw material constraints and the international pricing levels. India has already made a significant breakthrough by introducing world's first nano urea liquid for farmers across the world by Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Limited. With this, we are successfully meeting the target of self-sufficiency in the sector of urea. Now, recent action plan introduced by the Department of Fertilizers is coming up with steps to minimize the import dependency of costly raw materials imported from abroad and make it accessible and affordable to farmers. The action plan intends to ramp up the production in the existing 30 lakh MT of phosphorus deposits which are available in Rajasthan, the central part of peninsular India, Hirapur, Lalitpur, Mussoorie Syncline and Kudappa Basin. Discussion and planning with the Department of Mining and Geological Survey of India is going on to expedite the exploration in the potential potassic ore resources in Rajasthan, Satipura, Bharosari and Lakhasar, Uttar Pradesh, etc. Currently, all the departments are working jointly to start the mining of potential reserves as soon as possible. Alongside all the efforts to make India Atmanirbhar in phosphatic fertilizers, the government is coming up with initiatives that must improve the quality of underground water, keeping in mind the idea of sustainable development. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more such updates.